Hello friends, welcome to Wealth Creation channel. Today on 5th of November, again very good day. Good trades have been generated under Super Jackpot software. The Super Jackpot software has been launched very recently, that is as recent as yesterday, and it is generating really beautiful trades, highly profitable trades, both sides of the same script, both on buy and sell, buy at a low and sell at high. It is automatically generating these signals, and on confirmation as per our trading rules, the trades are giving highly profitable trades. You can see it. We'll show it to you. Now before we proceed further, you can just go through the highlights of the disclaimer, which is this is for educational purpose only and not advised to trade now as the trades are already over. Past performance is no guarantee of future performance, and all other points from 3 to 9 you can see it on our Facebook page, which is being posted every day. All the 9 points from 1 to 9 are given on our Facebook page, which you can just go through and keep it in your mind. Now before we waste any further time, I'll show you the today's trade and how the Super Jackpot software is working. See, in the automatic analysis window, you can see it, automatic analysis window. You just have to press the scan button and the trades generated are being shown here, and you just go time wise and you see first trade is Ultratech, right? Ultratech short here, first trade, but it is not confirmed meeting all the conditions, so we don't take the short here, but subsequently the trade conditions are met here and arrow has come here, and you see this from here, this is at 4229, and from there it has made a low of 4148, almost 75 points one way profit. Then India Bull Housing Finance, see buy signal here, at buy signal is coming right at in the morning at 9:10, and the price is 217. It made a high of 227, 10 rupees up, so you can book the profit wherever you want. And then again it gave a reverse signal. See the reverse signal by star and highlighted by the elliptical shape, and from there it has come down to another 7 rupees or so. So both sides profit. See the advantage of Super Jackpot software: buy side profit and sell side profit. Buy at lowest and sell at the almost highest. Then you see the SBI morning came by and it is giving a very good profit, right? And then sell again came and sell is also giving profit. This is how this software is generating very good useful trades both at buy and sell. Just dial, similarly just dial, buy was not meeting the rules, so it is no entry, and sell was meeting the rules, so again it is giving a good profit. L&T short side trade only, and it is giving very good profit here. See, Reliance, very strong script, but this jackpot software is stronger than that, and it's got the sell signal, and the sale is giving a very good profit here. You can see it. ICICI Bank, see both sides profit, first buy side profit and then sell side use profit. So this is how the trades are being generated today. Profitable trades are. Ultratech you already seen. The BankNifty buy here. This was not giving good profit here to come out here because bearish candle is being formed, and it is confirmed by here. So at the cost you can get out from here. And on the sell side it's a very good trade, giving a straight 300 point target being hit here. 300 point target is hit from this star, which is a new addition to this jackpot software and making it Super Jackpot. And L&T you have already seen sell side. Then you have also seen Reliance, India Bull, Just Dial, Sale. These are all reverse trades. Reverse trade signals have come here. So they are all here. Say like Bank Nifty came at 11:05. So 11:05, this is the sale. So this is how few trades, but very highly profitable, both side up and down trades, buy and sell, both the trades are being captured by this software right at the lowest and highest point. What a wonderful thing. How easy it is to make money in this market. Whichever way the market goes, doesn't matter whether it is going up or down. Your signals are there, your rules are there. If it meets the rule, enter the trade. If it doesn't meet the rule, don't enter the trade. If it gives a short trade, enter short trade with a stop loss which is defined, and enter a long trade similarly whenever long signal is confirming. I hope it will be highly useful to you to create wealth and make very good trades every day. Every day, in and out, you are going to get good trades in this through this software, which are generated automatically, and execution has to be done manually, because some of the trades which are not meeting the rule has not to be entered. Why unnecessary waste time and money and take pain when the trade is not confirming all the rules? So the trades which are meeting the rules with the signal only has to be taken. This is the beauty of this software. I hope you all like it. Please share, like and subscribe so that you continue getting daily updates. Thank you very much.